Hi movers, this is a core strengthening flow from tabletop position. So if you have any knee sensitivity, I highly recommend you get some little knee cushions or use a rolled up blanket underneath the knees for support. So let's get started in our tabletop. Okay, so come down onto your hands and onto your knees. Let's press down into this foundation. So spread the fingertips nice and wide. Let's align the wrists underneath the shoulders, the knees underneath the hips. Keep the knees about hip distance apart. Press down through the tops of the feet. Let's start by warming up our wrist joints, rocking a little bit left and right. So I actually love to spend time on my wrist because I feel it's one of the areas of the body that I neglect, I don't really pay attention to on the daily. Can you guys see me when my dog is laying there in front? Okay, let me just move her really quickly. Side, come. Okay. Is this any better? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So come back. Now you were rocking side to side, remember? Now let's rock a little bit forward and back. If the wrists allow, take the shoulders forward past the wrists as you rock forward. And let's start to bring this into a circling motion. It doesn't matter which direction you go first because we will do both. And let's switch directions, synchronizing with the breath. Find a rhythm. Playing with that weight shift. Okay, come back to center. Let's curl the toes under, pressing down through the ball of the feet, through the toes. Hover those knees just slightly up off the mat, just about an inch or two. Start to draw the belly in towards the spine. We're gonna start moving through a few cat-cows from here. On the inhale, arch the spine, crown of the head towards the tail. Exhale, chin to chest. Round, press away from the floor. Keep those knees hovering. Inhale. Exhale. Just one more. We got it. Inhale. And exhale. Soften the knees down. Give the feet a little pitter-patter. All right, let's go. So we're going to take the right leg back behind you, bending the knee, point the toes up towards the sky. Start to circle the right hip joint. Draw big circles with the knee, with the hip. It doesn't matter which direction you go first once again, because we'll do both. And switch direction. So you'll see why, or where we're headed and why we need to warm up the hip. Okay. Lengthen the right leg all the way back behind you. Flex the foot so the toes are pointing down towards the mat. We're engaging the quad and lengthening the hamstring. Reach the left arm forward. Breathing here, catch your breath. On your next inhale, we're gonna lift the arm and the leg up a little bit higher, and then exhale, bring it down to that parallel to the floor position. Inhale, lift. Exhale, draw that belly in. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale, draw the knee in towards the elbow, round the back, just like you're in cat pose. Press away from the floor. Inhale, lengthen it forward and back. Take the left arm out to the left side, right leg out to the right side. Okay, so the wrist is in line with the shoulder, the ankle is in line with the hip. If you need a little break like I do, go ahead and take it. Okay, that's not an easy position to hold. So honor your body. Take a rest if you need to, and then bend the elbow, bend the knee. So the elbow is in line with the shoulder now. The knee is in line with your hip. Exhale, curl it under. Inhale. Exhale, curl it under. Just one more. Inhale. And exhale, curl it under. Let's lengthen the arm and leg back out. Placing the left hand down, bring the left shin parallel to the top of the mat. So you actually just want to move the left ankle out to the left side so it comes parallel to the top edge of the mat. Spin that right heel down and lift up through the hips and the heart. Reach that right arm overhead. This should feel really nice for the hip flexor, for the front body. And exhale, bring it back to center. Whew, okay. How are we doing? Shifting a little side to side. Shift the hips a little side to side, open up the outer hip. When you're ready, we will take our second side. Now we're gonna stretch the left leg back and start to bend the knee and circle the knee. Circle that hip. And reverse. All right, doing great. Take that left leg all the way back behind you. The right arm reaches forward. Find that length, nice long line of energy. Take a breath out. On your next inhale, lift the arm and the leg. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Draw the knee in towards the elbow. Doing really good. Inhale. Lengthen it out. Take it out to the side. Now for that challenging part. Right arm out to the right side. Left leg out to the left side. Try to take the leg up and over the hip joint. Bend the knee in line with the hip. Bend the elbow in line with the shoulder. Take a breath. Exhale, curl it under. Just 3 of these. Stick with me. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Was that 3? Inhale. And exhale. Okay, bring it forward and back. Place the right hand down. Right shin comes parallel to the top of the mat. And baby wild thing. Lift through the hips and the heart. Enjoy. Exhale, come back to center. Good work. Bring the hips back towards the heels. Walk those arms forward. Surrender the mind down to the mat. Check in with your breath. Check in with your hips. Check in with your abdominals. If you'd like to rest the arms and the wrists a little bit more, just bring them down at their sides. You can roll out the wrists. So I recommend, that was 1 round, and I recommend taking this twice more. So you do a total of 3 rounds. And then staying in your child's pose for as long as it serves you. Namaste.